Hello, this is the makeup tutorial for Ceyx. This one is a little bit simpler, so there shouldn't be too much to go over in this video. First, we're going to jump right in using the fluffy end of the brush, the blending side of the brush. We're going to go in with our light brown all over the eyelid. I like to first concentrate on the outer part of the eyelid and then do a general wash over everything else. Next, using the other side of the brush that is flat, I'm using that to pick up a dark brown color and then applying it to only the bottom half of the eyelid, closest to the lash line. Then I'm going back in with the fluffy side of the brush and kind of blending it out, but still making sure that majority of the color, the darker color, stays on the lower part of the eyelid. Next, we're going to go in with the pencil eyeliner, and we're going to go ahead and apply that to the outer V of our lash line. So mostly concentrating towards the outer edge of your lashes, and you're applying on both the upper and lower lash line. Next, we're going to smudge out the eyeliner we just put down just a little bit. I personally just use my finger for this. Afterwards, I like to reapply, especially if I smudged a little bit too much. And also, I just want to make sure that I keep that part pretty dark. Smudged out, but still dark. For this look, you're probably going to want to keep reapplying and smudging a couple of times until it looks right. Once you're satisfied with how it comes out, you're done.